So one of the most basic thing that we must all know is how to import photographs and videos to your Apple Photos app. First way is to go to File and then click on Import, and there you just have to locate where the folders are and then select the folder and then click on Review for Import, and then it will show you what all are imported, what all can be imported, and then basis that you can select and click on import selected, and then all those images will be selected. So this is how you can import the images, or the other way is to just go to the folder where all the images are. So for example, in this finder window we can see a lot of photographs and images. So all you have to do is just select all of them which you want to import to your Photos app, and then basically drag and drop. So when you will do that, all the photographs and videos will be imported into your Apple Photos app, and you can be very sure if it is imported or not by going to the settings, and there you will see various options. We are concerned about this option. This is very important. This is copy items to the Photos library. In case this is not selected, then what will happen is it will just keep the references of the images, but it will not save in your Photos app. Dangerous thing can be that it will not be backed up. So for example, it won't be in two location, it will just be in the original location with the references over here. So in reality, this Photos app won't have any data about your photographs except the tags and all, but other things like the image data, it won't be there. So in case your original images gets deleted, then these photos which are just referenced will not be usable at all. So it is always important to have that option checked. Even if you feel that it is causing duplicacy of information, still it is better to have duplication than to actually lose it. So that you have to ensure. If you have any folder, you can move the folder as well, like drag and drop, and it will just show you if all the images are there or not. If they are, then it will show you this example. Do you want to import them again, or you don't want to import? So in this case you don't want to import them because these we know that are same as before, but there can be instances where you would like to import them in case there is minuscule difference, and let's say Apple Photos is not able to detect that. So it's up to you, but you can definitely drag and drop images, videos, folders as well. Folders, drag and dropping folders would save you a lot of time. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.